Hi everybody, my name is Annalise. I work for Cisco and today I'm going to be showing you how to make slime. This is a really great activity to do during quarantine and it's kid safe. All you're going to need is half a tablespoon of baking soda, a bottle of Elmer's glue, a tablespoon of contact solution, some food coloring, and if you're feeling extra crazy, you can add glitter. So I'm going to go ahead and pour this whole bottle of Elmer's glue into the bowl I have right in front of me. And I'm also gonna add the half tablespoon of baking soda. So after you've done that, you can go ahead and start mixing it together. When you're all done with that, you get the food coloring that you want, the color you want. I chose blue, and you're gonna add a couple drops of that and mix it to get the color that you want. Okay. So now that everything is all mixed together and you have the color that you want, you're gonna add the contact solution, a whole tablespoon to it. This is where it starts to get really fun. Okay, so it's gonna start getting harder to mix, and then what you can do is plop it on the table and start using your hands and kneading it. So just keep going until it's not super sticky anymore and it's not sticking to your hands. And you can squish it and play with it and stretch it. And then, because I'm feeling a little extra crazy today, I'm gonna add glitter. And then mix it back together. And there you have it, a fun activity to do during quarantine that you can have a lot of fun with. Thanks, guys.